welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and I'm excited about this one. It is my Wantable for the month of August, so I'm anxious to share with you guys what I got. Transparency moment. I've already recorded this video, so it's not a true unboxing. My mic was off the whole time, so I'm having to re-record. I'll probably on the try-on section maybe do like a voiceover or something because I already recorded the try-on portion, so I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, this hair that I'm wearing, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure that you are following me. I always link my Instagram below, but I did a mini review for this hair on Instagram. I got this from Amazon and I love it. I think it's the perfect summer bob just because it's very, very light. It's not heavy on my head at all, and you see the bounce and stuff in it. Very inexpensive. I'll link it down below for you if you're interested in it, and then I'll also like I said, follow me on Instagram if you want to know the tea on her. Also, these glasses, you guys know we stand booed me on this channel. These are in the style Libby. I will have them linked below with my discount code, of course, if you're interested. I have been wearing these out simply because, if you can see, they are transparent. They go with everything, literally everything. So that's that. It's a no makeup kind of morning. It was bright and early, like 6:30 when I filmed the original one because the kids were sleeping and I wanted to get it out of the way before they woke up. My glasses are fogging. Are you for real? Y'all, I'm just not having a good morning. My glasses are fogging up. Anyway, because I'm sweating and it's hot. So yeah, I wanted to film this video before the kids got up, and that kind of worked. One is still asleep and one is up. So hopefully they're not loud and we can't hear them during my recording. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, let's get into it because unfortunately I've already unboxed everything. I did want to clear up a couple of things. They do charge the $20 plus tax, but it is not a double taxation because they credit you the full $21 and some change, whatever the tax is, they put towards your whole total. So you're not getting double taxed. However, if you choose not to get anything, they're still charging tax on a fee, which is not okay. So there's that. I was right, kind of, in the fact that they shouldn't be taxing a fee in the event that you don't purchase anything, but they don't double tax you because they credit you the full amount. That makes sense. And unlike Stitch Fix, their boxes are called edits and Stitch Fixes are called fixes. So there's a difference there. And again, the major difference is when you get 5 items with them, you get a 20% discount, where in Stitch Fix, if you get off 5 items, you get a 25% off discount. You do not get a higher discount with Wantable if you get all 7, which they might want to look into that, because either raise your 5 item discount or I just think, or raise your 5 item discount or raise the discount if you get all 7 pieces. I think it's just something to think about. Maybe, I don't know, it's your business. You do what you want to do, obviously. But anyway, that's it. So let's go ahead and get into all the items that I sent. Actually, overall, I really enjoyed this box a great deal more than I enjoyed last month's box. I think this stylist did a really good job. I still find it to be a little more casual than Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is more my style. I feel like they have my style more down packed. I don't see why, because they have literally the same types of questions, but I seem to get more casual things with them than I do with Stitch Fix. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the pieces that they sent. So the first thing that they sent me was a pair of earrings. I love this, the packaging that they sent it in. I think that this is really, really nice and cute. The earrings retail for $32, and they are from the brand, I don't know, Mind's Eye Design. These are made in California. They're made in the USA. I think these are really cool and innovative because when you take them out, when you put them in your ear, you can see like this part hanging down below. So I think that's a really cool design. And if I don't get anything else, I'll get these because they're $32 and I don't want to lose my 21 and some change. And they are really cute. I do like them. So if I don't get anything else, I'll get these. But depending on what else I get, I may not, if that makes sense. You know, again, I have more insight on this go round because I already recorded this and it just wasn't The sound wasn't loud. Is that not the dumbest thing? Oh, what's really dumb is that this is not the first time I've done that. How about that? Anyway, the next item that they sent me was this really cute neutral colored like taupe zebra shirt from the brand Gilly, and this is a size 2X. It retails for $40. This fit really well. Yeah, this fit really well. I liked it. It's a very light like sweater material, so it's a cool summer. You could wear it in the summer obviously and then transition into the fall because of the print of it. I just don't know about the $40 price tag for it, but I do love the way it fits. The next item was this leopard print dress, which you guys, they already got me down on the prints, right? I loved this actually. I was pleasantly surprised at how much I like this, because pulling it out when I first unboxed it, I didn't think I would like it as much as I do. It is a thicker like material, sweater like material, like a light sweater material. So I don't know if I would necessarily pull this out on the hottest day in the summer, but maybe if it was rainy out or something like that, then you could definitely get away with this. I love that it has pockets. It has an elastic waistline so you can put a belt around it. I do love this one, and I'm strongly thinking about keeping this one because I love the fit. This one is $58, I believe. Yeah. And I just love the fit of this one, and I love me some leopard print, so that was a real pleasant surprise on that one. The next shirt is this one right here. This one is super cute. It fits really nicely. It does have a little button up here to keep it closed if you want to, if you're more conservative. But it also features these really cool like doily things on its sleeves. I loved this shirt. I like the way it fit, but the price tag is $74. And I just don't love it enough to pay $74 for it, but I do like the colors in it, and I like the way it fit. This is from the brand Democracy. Oh, that leopard print dress was from the same brand as the previous shirt, so Gilly or whatever. But this is really, really cute. I like this a lot, just not for the price. Next piece was this camouflage t-shirt. This is from the brand Z Supply, and I believe this is $45. I love the way this fit. I love this shirt. I like it a lot actually. It fits really, really nicely. I like the style of it. It's $45, so I don't know if I like it enough to pay $45 for it, especially because y'all know how my mind works. I could find a shirt like this at Ross for $10.99 or $9.99. You know what I'm saying? So I always consider that, and that's just the way my mind works. I'm sorry if y'all don't like it. That's just the truth. But I really do like it. I think it fits really well. It comes to a nice length on me. It's very flattering. So yeah, I really like that. This is one of the items that I'm contemplating keeping. But yeah. Next were these really bomb. Like, these are so fly. These are some Liverpool jeans. These are in a size 18. Liverpool is the same brand of that jacket from Stitch Fix that I wanted, that I didn't keep, that I should have kept, that I'm mad at myself for not keeping. That $98 jacket. These are the same brand. These fit amazingly. They're very flattering. I feel like they suck me in a little bit. I feel like they're a nice thick material, like great quality, but still very stretchy. This is called the Perfect Black Jean. These retail for $98. That's the only thing that is keeping me from being like, absolutely, you know what I'm saying? I love them. I like the way they fit, but that is a hefty price tag. So we're considering, okay? And then last but certainly not least are these Vigos jeans. These are just a nice plain, I guess this is a mid-wash, or would this be a dark wash? I don't know. But this is the Luxe Stretch Jagger Classic Fit Skinny. These are like a mid-rise or low-rise or something. I don't like it. I don't like the way these fit me. They fit me. I can get in them. They fit fine everywhere else. But I don't like where they cut me at the waist. And so, and y'all know how I feel about these Vigos jeans. I just can't pay $78 for them because I've gotten them for so much cheaper in the past. So, they're a nice wash, like I said, very, very appropriate if your job allows you to wear jeans because there's no distressing on them. But I'm not paying $78 for them. So there are those. So you guys, that is my Wantable unboxing for this month. I really enjoyed it. Like I said, a great deal more than last month's box. I think that they did a better job with the selections in this month's box, and I like them. I like them. I still don't like that fee thing, but it is what it is. So my standout product, my standout items are these three. These are the ones that I'm heavily considering. If I don't get any of these, I will get these earrings. But I don't know. I'll get with my husband and see what he likes, what he thinks about it, and we'll kind of go from there. But that is it. Of course, I will have the referral link down below for you guys if you want to sign up for it. I'm not affiliated with Wantable, but every customer gets a referral link. So I'm going to link that below if you want to sign up, try it out, and give it a try. I feel like for the last 2 months, I found that their options are a little more casual than Stitch Fix is. So if that's something you're interested in, you might enjoy that. The prices are pretty comparable. I do feel like Stitch Fix has higher quality. I can't even say that because they have the same brand. Like the pants that I really like are from that same brand of that jacket that I really like. So they have some of the same brands. But I guess maybe my thoughts are just because these are so casual and the prices are the same as the dressier items that I receive from Stitch Fix. And that's why I'm like, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of all these items down below, how you think they fit on me. Be nice. Be nice, okay? But that's it. I love you guys so much, and make sure you're washing your hands often. Make sure you are social distancing. Y'all, it's still real out here, okay? It is still real. So wear your mask if at all possible, if you're able to. And you pray for me, and I'll continue to pray for you. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.